Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. I'm going to take you one-on-one on how to sign up a local BTC account. I'll be buying Bitcoins from my M-Pesa cash. Stick with me to the end of the video recording. So the first very step you need to come is sign up for free. When you sign up and have an account, you'll be able to buy and sell Bitcoins. So when signing up the first very thing in local BTC, you will come to and have put your username. My username is Edward Checks. So in case you need conversion of dollars to Bitcoin or maybe any other payment, global payment, international payment method to in exchange of local BTC, reach me out through my official email in my description link njogukarungu@gmail.com and I'll be able to assist you. So the very first thing, you have an option to register as a company. It tells me you are attempting to create a master company account. In order to register and verify master account, your company must belong to National Company Registered, and you must be the person legally responsible for the company. Operating as a company allows you to provide payments for your trade on local BTC using company's details. If you intend to create an account for trading with personal details or personal bank account, create and proceed to bank account. For a case scenario, we'll register local BTC using a personal account. So you will say, I would like to get updates and communication from local BTC occasionally. So it tells us we will come here and verify if we are a human being, and we'll be good to go to register a local BTC account where we'll be able to buy and sell Bitcoins. So what will come here, we'll try to verify and as if you are a human being, then we'll come to register. When we come to register, we'll copy. These are the terms and conditions. Ensure you take time to read them. So what I did, I've read them. This is the date updated 17th March. These are terms of service. I've even sent them to my official email account, so that anytime I want to refer anything, I'll be knowing when working with local BTC the terms that I agreed upon. So the other thing that we need to come is we need to come and be able to agree. I agree. Once you agree, this is their privacy policy. It's also good to just copy paste it and save it into your official account, so that you will know what terms and policies that you have agreed upon. But for my case, I've taken time to read what was required. So ensure you also agree upon terms and policies. Upon agreeing on the privacy policy, will come in. This is the account has been logged in. Will come for email verification. You can see the email they have sent us. They have sent us an email. Thanks for signing up. We'll be able to click it. Once we click it, we'll be able to that is the email verification checkup. So we'll fill in these details for our the profile information. Then after doing our SMS verification, we'll be good to go and we'll be having a local BTC account. Thank you. So we'll be required to come and fill all these fields: our first name, our last name, our phone number, the country which we are, the phone number without the leading zeros. So we should start it with +254, the country code. It tells us select your estimated trade volume. Please specify your estimated trade volume in euros for the next 12 months. So it tells, have you been politically exposed person, family member, or a person to be close associated with a aforementioned person during the last 12 months? No, I'm not exposed. So the phone number, it tells us the phone number does not look legit. It means we should be able to remove this +254 because we already put the country code here. Then we'll be able to submit. It tells us your account is almost ready. Insert an SMS code that we sent you to this number to complete the registration, and the verification will be done. That is a tutorial on how to register local BTC. So in case you have a transaction you want to send me cash via Payoneer or maybe PayPal or M-Pesa or cheaper cash or transfer limit, and you want maybe an exchange of to be sent the cash back to your Bitcoin, local Bitcoin or local Ethereum account, I'll be available. Reach me out. Thank you for watching the tutorial. Thank you. So our local BTC profile information is set. Welcome to local BTC. We are glad to inform and choose local BTC. You have chosen local Bitcoin. You are joining the pioneering and almost trusted P2 Bitcoin exchange in the world, and you can find wide variety of trading partners, currencies, payment method, and offers. Now you are successfully onboarded. Let's have a look at the next step. Protect your account. Ensure that your account has high security by enabling two-factor verification. So for the local BTC account to be secure, ensure that you enhance the two-factor authentication. Learn how to use BTC. Find detailed instructions how to buy and sell the BTC. Choose the best offer. Edit the ads, selecting the right amount, country, payment method, and the best offer for you. Remember to check the traders' feedback and experience. Verify your account. Verifying your account unlocks all features of your local BTC. Will come here. If you have any query, check in the frequently asked questions section. So what we'll do for now, we'll try to verify the account. So we can see they are telling us that the security is weak because we've not enabled the two-factor verification method. So the process of so for verification for BTC, ensure that you confirm the email, put the full name, also the phone number, the way we entered the code. That is the verification. The tier that are verified is this one up to €1,000 per year volume to 10,000. So that will be okay. They tell me that I'll be receiving. They tell me about verification. They are saying that everything has been verified. Everything you need to know about your account. So about notification, they tells me that new trade contacts, I will receive notifications through of any new request. I'm open to that. I also need to online scroll released. Yes. I also want to receive any new notifications of new dispute. It's highly recommended to have at least one notice option selected. So I'll come here and save the changes. So another option is once you have activated local BTC Telegram bot, notification will be sent to the Telegram instead. So we'll be enabling the Telegram soonest so that that we may receive all our information via Telegram. Thank you for sticking with the end of the video recording lifestyle tutorials. Thank you.